Hi everyone, I'm Meena. Welcome back to my channel and a very warm welcome to another video. So if you're watching me for the first time, let me tell you I make videos on makeup, beauty and lifestyle. If you are already a subscriber, thank you for being here and welcome back. If you're watching me for the first time, kindly consider subscribing. Also hit the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification of that. So today's video is a very quick, easy makeup tutorial which I was gonna do any which ways, and I thought I should record it for you guys and I should share it with you. If you like me doing such videos, leave a comment down below so I would know. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So as usual, the very first step in any sort of makeup is taking care of your skin. So I am gonna start with this toner. This is by Dermafique. It's a really good toner. This was an Amazon discovery for me and I got really fond of it. And if you are looking for a new toner, you should give this one a try. Next, I am using this Garnier Vitamin C Serum. Now that I'm gonna be turning 30 soon, I am taking my skincare a lot seriously. I've been trying and experimenting with new things which suit my skin and what I can continue in future. But if you're watching this, please don't wait till you turn 30 to start taking care of your skin. The sooner the better. Then I'm gonna go with this Garnier cream as well. So whenever I am choosing any sort of skincare, I prefer to stick to the same brand and from the same range. So when it is made, it has a purpose. So usually when you are going for skincare routine, let it be day or night, stick to a brand, stick to the same range. It will benefit you better. Mommy, next, I'm using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunscreen, which is a very important part in your skincare. You are supposed to use sunscreen every day without fail. So first I'm using this palette by Huda. I'm going to using this color called Tease. Next I'm using this palette by Makeup Revolution, black color from this palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. It's very pigmented. It has all the colors. If you're a person who likes like very nude makeup, this is the palette that you should own. As I always say, I'm gonna make a V on the outer corner of my eye and then just blend it. So you don't have to have like a smoky eye kind of a look. It just will give you a nice depth. Next, I am using this eyeliner by Maybelline Colossal. Try and make as thin of line as possible. Next, I'm gonna be taking this blue eyeliner. I don't know the brand. I got it from a local store. Now we have to draw it over the black line that we just did. Then we have to do it on the lower. I don't know how well it is getting captured on the camera. I also turned off the light because I thought it was not as clear with the light on. But then that's it. For this makeup look, I am not using any foundation, but I am using this BB cream from Garnier. I love using BB creams for day-to-day basis. Foundations are usually only and only for occasions, special occasions, because using foundation daily would also hamper your skin. BB cream somewhere I feel it's safer. So my preference is always BB cream when it's about day-to-day basis. If you don't have a BB cream, you can make your own tinted moisturizer by taking 1 or 2 drops of your foundation, mix it with your face cream and just apply it as a tinted moisturizer. It will work equally well. I'm using this Lakme Rose powder, which is my favorite. It's very light to your skin, does the work, smells amazing. For blush, I am using Deborah Milano, which is in shade 13 Apricot. I know it's broken thanks to my kids, but I love this blush and I don't want to give it up. As I mentioned in my previous video as well, that if you have round shape, if you have round face shape, try and put the blush going upwards rather than putting a blob here. It will make your face even more rounder. तो जब भी आप blush लगा रहे हैं तो ऐसे upward motion में लगाइए. It will give a better symmetry to your face. I also like to put some blush on my nose and on my chin as well. For highlighting, I am using this palette by Lancome. Basically it's eyeshadow, but it's so light that I can't use it as eyeshadow. But it is so light that I can't use it as eyeshadow, so I use it as a highlighter. Then the most important part, brows. The most important part here is your brows. So I'm using L'Oreal Brow Artist because it's my favorite.
I finished your slime.
Next for mascara, I am using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Before applying mascara, I'm going to be using my eyelash curler. As I've been telling for a very long time now, that whenever you are using mascara, always use mascara in a rotating motion, and also try and not to use lots of layers to it because then it will look very weird. Try and work with what you have. फर्स्ट वॉन्ड में आपके जितना आता है मस्कारा उसी में आप ट्राई कीजिए that it works for you. For lipstick, I'm using Nude Nuisance by Maybelline. If you are looking for a very natural and nude shade, this is the one you should try. Although it is not transfer proof and you have to keep on reapplying it, but it's a good shade. This is an add-on step. If you want to put it, use a very light eyeshadow in the inner corner of your eyes to give your eyes pop, and you can skip this step if you're not comfortable with it, but I somehow like it. To set this all up, I am using this makeup fixer by Faces Canada. So this was it. This was a very quick and easy makeup tutorial. which I thought that I should share with you because I was anyways doing it, so I thought I should record it for you guys. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like watching my videos. Avoid my daughter in the background. She's walking in the house. It's her house. I can't stop her, you know. Comment down below if you have any ideas regarding my next videos. If you want me to do any videos, please comment down below. Consider subscribing to my channel if you have not. I will see you in my next video. Till then, be you, be beautiful. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.